So if we look at here, the difference between force and force with lease. So force override a remote branch with your local changes. So local branch. So whatever is in your local branch, it will override everything on the remote side. Whereas this is a much safer flag where you use force with lease. It's a safer option that will not override any work on the remote branch if more commits were added to the remote branches. So you made a commit and then you realize like you have to make certain changes in the same commit, and while you are trying to make those changes in the same commit, somebody else has committed code to the remote repository. So there are 2-3 more commits on the remote repository, but if we use force, it will override all those changes. But if we use this option, it will check if there are an existing, if there are new changes, then it won't let you override that. If there is no new commits, then it will simply override the previous commit. So that's basically the difference. I hope it makes sense. See you in the next lecture.
Please subscribe to our channel.